So are you ready? The special thing about the frisbee is it flies not only because of the speed, because of also the spin. And NASA airplanes are like this, no wings, simply like this. So the moment you see it, you must be able to judge where it's going to land. Who's going to try first? Okay? What we do is, don't try to throw it far, okay? What you do is, just get this, like that. See, it must land like that. Hold the hand easy. This is the moment, okay? This should happen. Okay, let's take a few things. You know, the birds, the airplanes, insects, we'll take these three to start with. All these three fly, but they're flying in three different ways. What's different about their flight?
Airplane is controlled by a person.
Not like that. I'm saying as a flying instrument, what's different?
Birds flap their wings.
Yes. The birds are flapping their wings generally. Insects are doing at a tremendous speed, wing flapping. Birds are doing it little more gently. Airplane is not flapping. So how is it that it flies? This is a better way to fly. You hold it this way, not gripping it like this, just holding it this way, lightly. When you do this, the important thing is not this, the important thing is this, okay? Better? So right now, a frisbee has no wings, yes? So it has to fly. So all it needs is, it has the shape, it needs some speed, and the special thing about the frisbee is it flies not only because of the speed, because of also the spin. If there's no spin, it won't fly. Why does a cloud fly?
Light.
It's lighter, so it's flying. But an airplane is not lighter, isn't it? It's much heavier than the air, but still it flies. Bird is also heavier than the air, still it flies, isn't it?
Because the wings are…
Wings are not flapping.
The way it's made, the propeller pushes it.
Because it's
moving.
Propeller pushes it,
See, propeller is getting it to speed, okay? Propeller is just a fan, either a propeller or a jet is just a propulsion, it is just taking it forward. So it should be a fast car, but it's flying, why? Yeah, that's good. Like this, all that's happening is when the wind comes and hits this, the air, it goes up like that. Before it can fold back, there is a distance, it can only fold back like this somewhere. It can't fold back here because of the speed. So once this goes, there's a vacuum, it pulls it up. So the wing lifts off. They're like this. The new NASA airplanes are like this, no wings, just made like a slab of metal, simply like this. Because they're able to kick up big speed, really high speeds. Because of that, no wing. Just this itself will make it fly. So when you fly the frisbee, one thing is, it's not about exerting too much power, it's about being able to judge the air, how it's flowing, and able to put the face of the frisbee into the air. If you do it like this, it won't go. If you do it like this, it won't go. If you do it like this, it won't go. If you do it like this, it won't go. You have to find… you must have a feel for the air. I want all of you to stand there, little away from each other, and just move your hand as fast as you can and feel the air and tell me which way you want to throw the frisbee. See, right now, this is a difficult place to throw because wind is blowing from behind me, but we'll do this. See, because it's coming from behind, it doesn't carry, it's just going and dropping off. If I throw it this way, now it will go much better. If I throw it in this direction now, it will fly much better because it's flowing into the wind. So now we'll throw it into the wind. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
See, when I throw it, the way it's bending here, you must already anticipate it and be in the right place. Whoever is closest must be in that place before it lands, okay? Do not run for the frisbee. You must be able to stand there and say where it's going to fall, okay? Tell me where. Get it? Yeah. So the moment you see it, you must be able to judge where it's going to land. Comes, you understand that it's not only moving this way, there's a lot of spin. Because of the spin, it'll correct itself, and it may correct itself more. If it just corrects enough, it'll go like this. If it corrects more, most probably it's going to go this way. If it loses speed also, it's going to go this way. So I want you to not throw it harder and harder, like put a circle there, get control over the frisbee. Speed will easily come later, but those who have no control, speed is no use, they'll be flying all over the place, nobody can catch it, it doesn't mean anything. Okay. Okay, like this you just land it, it must land inside. Yes, thanks. Good? First thing is to learn to land it flat, then to learn to land it where you want it, then slowly… So distance is not important, let them just get it right, get the movement right. After that anyway they'll throw it hard. Let them get this and start throwing it.